Hey everyone, it's Keana and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a glow up transformation. This look isn't working for me right now. I don't know, I kind of just look like I'm sick and tired, but I already had my cup of coffee, so I'm not tired. And I'm just chilling here, and I thought I'd film a video for you guys, and I really wanted to do a makeup related video because I got some new makeup, which I'm super hyped about because if you know me, I don't like spending money on makeup because it costs like $100 for two things at Sephora, so I kind of just avoid buying new makeup. Show you guys how I can transform myself from a toe to a better looking toe. I don't know, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I glow up in 24 hours, keep on watching. Okay, so I got my makeup bag here, and yes, I'm using this lobster bag that I got from TJ Maxx. I'm pretty sure in middle school, but you know, it holds a lot of junk. The first step in glowing up is going to be washing my face. I'm pretty sure washing your face is something you guys do every day. If not, join the club. A lot of people think that I have a very detailed and strict skincare routine, but surprise, like I do not actually do much to my skin. Try out one of my new products. I'm going to be using the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. Okay, so I just washed my face and it feels so refreshed. Okay, I look like a founding father with this hairstyle. I think I'm just going to keep my hair up like this, so I'm going to look ugly. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the Clinique Moisture Surge. Especially with my skin, moisturizing has helped my skin eliminate so much oil. If you keep stripping your face of oils, it's going to produce more. So you want to be careful with that. Moisturizing your skin is very crucial to a good skincare routine. Okay, so the next thing that I want to be doing is foundation. And as you guys know, I use the same foundation. I'm probably not going to change it very often. So this is the same that I've been using. I promise that the rest of the makeup is different. I'm using my usual Revlon Color Stay, and I'm just going to apply a decent amount to my face. I kind of been going for the more fuller coverage look. I'm just going to be taking this synthetic brush and I'm going to just be buffing that into my skin. But basically this brush has really helped give me a fuller coverage look. I recently purchased the Tartelette and Toasted edition. This is the warmer toned one, and look how pretty this is. We're gonna be doing a little look with it today. We're going all out. We're gonna be putting on fake lashes. We're really gonna look good, okay? I'm really trying to step up my game here. Okay, so the first thing I wanna do is take a tapered blending brush, if this is what that even is called. And I'm gonna be taking S'more, which is the lightest shade in the palette, just as a base blending color, applying that into the crease. Also, I've gotten a few comments that say they've seen me on campus and they're afraid to say hi, but honestly, if you guys ever see me on campus, I'm super friendly. Like, I might look a little scary because I'm not wearing makeup, or I literally just look like a wreck when I go to class since I don't have time to get ready in the morning because I wake up way too late. I do have a resting bitch face, so also just don't be scared. I would love to talk to you guys. Some girl actually came up to me when I was going to a Halloween party. It just made my nights. And also, if you guys ever just want to grab coffee, I'm always looking for new friends, and I think it'd just be super fun. If you guys want some life advice, some college advice, because I am a junior in college, but I'm not as put together as you may think. But anyway, the next step is gonna be using a darker color. I'm taking Cashmere, which is this peachy color, and I'm obsessed with this color. It's just really pretty. I'm gonna be applying this to the outer half of my lid, but also bringing it into the crease. And this is also gonna be a nice transition shade for when we use the darker shadows. Latte, which is this color right here, and it's a good way to deepen up the crease without going too crazy. The next step is taking MAC's Painterly Paint Pot, and this is just a good base color because it's neutral and it's gonna help the eyeshadow stick to it. I kind of like try to draw my crease a little bit higher than it actually is, so bring up some of this paint pot. This is what you do in a cut crease, but we're not skilled enough for a cut crease. So I'm gonna be taking Candle, which is a shimmery champagne color. Okay, so one of the most important steps after applying that is going to be blending out where the two shadows meet. So bringing some of that peachy color back kind of into the center of the crease. Really warm orange color right here. Start to blend this into the outer corner. So now I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline with this black kohl eyeliner from Rimmel. It's my favorite one. It doesn't get my contacts like all the other ones I've tried. And the eyeshadow isn't really finished yet. I'm going to put on fake eyelashes and everything and then deepen up the crease depending on how dark I want it to be. So now I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes. Okay, so while I'm letting my mascara dry, I'm going to do my concealer, and I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes in this motion. And I'm also going to bring it out to here. Bring some down there. Really kind of just pack it on. This is my favorite concealer ever. I used to use the NARS Creamy Concealer, but I realized that one isn't that good. This one works so much better. It's the Laura Mercier one. My same foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend all this concealer out. Now I'm just going to be brushing out my eyebrows with my spoolie. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia brow gel, and this is in the shade medium brown. Very pigmented, really fills in all the sparse spots and creates very defined eyebrows. Do you guys have a favorite eyebrow? Because this is my favorite eyebrow. This is actually my favorite side of my face. I hate this side of my face. I feel like it's ugly. Okay, so I just put on my fake lashes. I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispies. My friend Destiny recommended these to me and they look pretty good. They're pretty natural, so I think that's the best thing for me because when I put on crazy lashes, I look psycho. So now that we have the fake eyelashes on, I can kind of gauge how dark I want this to be. Instead, I'm taking that orange color. I'm gonna just start to darken up this crease color a little bit. Once I have the lashes on, I can kind of tell how dark I want to go. Okay, my lips are so dry right now. I'm gonna be taking this Bite Beauty lip mask. I got this on sale when it was $13, which is half off. It's usually $26, and I don't know who would pay $26 for this little tube. So one of the most important steps is gonna be to use bronzer or some kind of contour. I'm gonna be taking my Tarte Clay Play palette. I'm just gonna be contouring my cheeks because I love creating some definition. I'm just gonna be really packing this bronzer on because we're trying to look snatched. Snatched. My sister's actually in my room waiting for me to do her bronzer, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. We look so much better than earlier, and I totally forgot a very important step, bottom lash mascara. We're gonna do that right now. My look is almost complete. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out, but I'm gonna be putting on some highlighter now. I'm using my Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh, that looks really good. Okay guys, one of the most essential parts that I forgot about, we're adding it in. It's the Laura Mercier translucent powder that everyone and their mother uses these days. I'm gonna get my beauty blender and we're just going to try bake in the face a little bit, but you know, I'm not a baker, so. Okay, now I'm just gonna be brushing this off with a big fluffy brush. Okay, so now I'm going to change into a different outfit because that's a very important step in glowing up, because this is just an ugly long sleeve t-shirt that has a horrible neckline for my broad shoulders, so we're going to change. Here is my finished makeup look. It is very autumnal. It's a very fall look, as you could tell. I have like a cranberry eye going on. I feel like this is a big step up from what I look like this morning. So yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys liked seeing my transformation. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I will know if you guys like these types of videos. I love doing glow up videos. I think it's fun to show you guys my makeup routines and stuff like that. Also, one more thing, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and if you guys have any questions that you would want featured in an upcoming Q&A, definitely leave those down below as well. That's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.